We have spent years debating how to regulate artificial intelligence. In August 2026, the debate ends, and the enforcement begins. The European Union's landmark AI Act is fully coming into force. It is the world's first comprehensive set of rules for AI. And if you think this only matters in Brussels or Berlin, you are mistaken. If your US-based company offers an AI model, even through the cloud, to a single user in Paris, you must follow these rules. We are now past the voluntary opt-in phase. This is about what new AI laws mean for everyday life, and for the global digital economy. Today, we break down what August 2026 actually changes. The EU didn't write a single rule for all AI. They created a classic regulatory ladder, the risk-based approach. The rule is simple: more risk to human rights, more regulatory burden. The smallest, top layer, absolutely prohibited AI. As of 2025, applications like a Chinese-style social scoring system or real-time biometric identification in public spaces by police, with very limited exceptions, are legally dead in the EU. This is the big one for August 2026, the high-risk category. If your AI decides who gets a job, who gets a bank loan, or who gets medical treatment, it must meet incredibly strict data, transparency, and human oversight rules. And the rest, simple spam filters or basic predictive text. They are classified as limited or minimal risk, and the requirements are very light. A major last-minute addition to the law was how to handle general-purpose AI, GPAI, the models like GPT-4 or Gemini. Any foundational model with systemic risk, meaning, it's very powerful, must prove how it manages that risk. The major deadline is August 2026, when these models must prove they follow the agreed-upon code of practice. This is where the US comes in. If a US company launches a massive model in 2026, it won't just release it and hope for the best. To avoid massive fines, it must proactively align its global safety testing with these specific EU standards. The EU just set the global baseline, and the teeth are sharp. For non-compliance with the most critical prohibited AI bans, fines can reach €35 million or 7% of a company's global annual turnover, whichever is higher. What's the next thing to watch? The conflict of laws. US law protects proprietary models. The EU AI Act requires transparency. By August 2026, a major US tech company will inevitably find itself between a rock and a hard place, leading to the first major EU AI Act lawsuit. The era of voluntary, safe AI talk is over. The standard has been drawn by Brussels. Is the digital world ready for it? Thanks for watching.